To memorize the sign of the ratios of an angle in any of the four quadrants, we form the abbreviation ASTC. First quadrant is our A. A means all. All ratios of trigonometry, this one will be our positive only. S in second quadrant, this one is our S, that means sine, and sine is our related to our cosec. So sine theta and cosec theta will be positive, and remaining all will be our negative. T, third quadrant is our T. T means our tan. Tan theta is related to cot theta. So tan theta and cot theta will be positive, and remaining all will be our negative. And C, C means our cos. So fourth quadrant it is number 4. So this cos theta is related to our sec theta. So cos theta and sec theta, these two will be positive, and remaining all will be our negative. So here you see number A, B, C, D, it is given. You will see this one, that will understand nicely. A, B, C, D. So sine 30 degree, because in first quadrant this one, it will be our less than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. So sine 90 degree, cos 41 degree, all this one no, less than 90 degree, because all ratio is our first quadrant positive. And if more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, here then sin theta and cosec theta only. So sin 97 and cosec 168, these two will be positive, and remaining all will be our negative. Similarly CD also. Associated angles and their trigonometrical ratios. It is very important. For convenience, we consider an acute angle theta such that the revolving ray makes an angle theta in the first quadrant with x-axis in anti-clockwise sense. In which sense? Anti-clockwise sense it is. That means like this it will go. Anti-clockwise sense. Then the angle minus theta. Then our 90 degree plus minus theta. 180 degree plus minus theta. 270 degree plus minus theta and 360 degree plus minus theta are called angles associated with theta. And by using the congruence of right angle triangles, the trigonometrical ratios of these associated angles can be obtained from the trigonometrical ratios. This minus 1 and plus 1. If sine positive theta or minus theta, then what the value will be, this one we will now learn. So number 1 you will see. This one, first number 1, minus theta 1. We will learn now with terms of our ratio theta. So same as we will consider one Cartesian plane, this one, and here you will see a revolving ray OR1, this one OR1 makes an angle theta with our OX, it is making an angle in anti-clockwise, in this direction. In this direction it is making anti-clockwise direction. And another ray it is our OR2, this one OR2, revolving in clockwise direction. It is going in this direction, clockwise direction going. That means it is negative, clockwise going it is. Clockwise sense. Makes an angle equal to theta with this angle and these two angle are equal. If it is our 60 degree, then this one also will be our 60 degree. Both will be our 60 degree. But it is our clockwise going, so it will be our minus 60 degree. So here it is giving in clockwise sense makes an angle equal to theta with our OX. With OX this angle is forming. In anti-clockwise direction it is. Then our XO, then our R1. This angle AXO R1 is equal to our theta, and angle this one angle AXO and R2 is equal to will be our minus theta. It will be our minus theta. Now see, let our P be any point on our OR, this one, this P, and see, let P be any point on our OR and P dash, this one our P dash, this P dash is our, and P dash is a point on our OR2, such that we are considering this one OP is equal to our, this one OP is equal to our OP dash. Now we'll join this our P and P dash. We'll join our P dash is joined and it casts our OX at our N. Obviously here two triangles we are getting, POM, this triangle POM, and another triangle our, which triangle, P dash OM, this triangle we are getting, two triangles, and both triangle is our, see, this triangle and there another triangle, this one. These two triangles, it is our POM, and this one is our P dash OM. These two are right angle triangle. This one is our right angle, this one is our right angle. And here according to our construction, this one OP and OP dash our equal and OM is our common. So these two triangles will be congruent according to our right angle hypotenuse side congruency. So these two triangles is congruent to each other. Now we are able to write, what we are able to write, PM, see here it is given P dash M. P dash M is equal to this portion, this line. It is our downside of our x-axis. Downside of our x-axis, that means y, this one is negative part. So in this portion it will be our negative. So this one will be our P dash M is our minus PM. So P dash M is equal to our minus PM. Now we will go to our ratio C. From the definition of the trigonometrical ratios. So sine minus theta. If it is our sine minus theta, then our what it is according to the form, you will see here. According to our form, this one will be minus theta it is. So it will be our P dash M. P dash M, that means opposite side of the angles. Opposite side of the angle, that means our perpendicular. So this angle is our, this side is our P dash M divided by our hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is our OP dash. So P dash M already we got minus our PM. And OP dash means our OP same it is our, because OP dash it is given our, according to our construction, OP dash is equal to our OP. So it will be our OP only, and P dash M is equal to our minus PM, that means it is plus minus minus. So it will be our minus sine theta. So sine minus theta is equal to our minus sine theta. Similarly cos theta is equal to, see, cos theta is equal to our cos minus theta is equal to OM divided by our OP dash. Both are positive, so it will be our positive only. Cos minus theta will be our cos positive theta. If cos minus 45 degree, so this one will be our cos 45 degree only. Now tan theta, only these two is our sufficient. From these two only remaining ratios we will get. Now tan minus theta is equal to our sin minus theta divided by our cos minus theta, and sin minus theta we got our minus sin theta, and cos minus theta we got here cos theta. So minus plus minus, so it will be our minus tan theta. Similarly we will see our cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. So cot minus theta will be our minus cot theta, sec minus theta will be our sec theta, cosec minus theta will be our minus cosec theta.